Yeah, hello, good afternoon, or good morning. Yeah, this is Engineer Ross from High Point Trust International Limited. Today we are at Surulere, one of the location, and we have a smart system of 3.5 million naira set up here. What do we have? We have 350 watt solar panel. We're having it in 12 units, and we're also having 5 kilowatts of lithium battery. Today, a special package we are giving out. And we also have 5.8 kilowatts of micro global inverter. So we're using a uniform of inverter and 5 kilowatt lithium battery. So let me take you around. So this is a lithium battery there, and that's a 5 kilowatts inverter. So our project supervisor is going to take you around on how the job is being done, and many goodies come your way at the completion of this very installation. This is one of our senior engineer colleague here. This is Mona Ajo. And behind the scene, we have Mr. Odo George there, and we have here the wise man Solomon Sodiq, and we have Baba JJ here. These are senior colleagues, and they are our top engineer. So these are the solar panels. Yeah. Oh, we have the iron bar on the roof. It's a very fragile and shy man, but very hardworking. So at the completion of the job, we will give you a breakdown on how the job is being done. That will be done by our project supervisor, as our general manager, Mr. Odo George. My name is the name Rosso I Mienoho. And this promo package of 3.5 million naira consists of 12 units of 350 watt solar panel and 5 kilowatt lithium battery and 5.8 kilowatt inverter. PV inverter precisely. It works optimally both with the solar panels and without battery. It also work with battery as well.
Good morning. My name is Odo George, the General Manager for High Point Trust International Limited. And here we are in one of our sites in Surulere, Lagos. So here we are doing an upgrade for our customer. He has an existing 350 watt solar panel of 9 pieces and 4 pieces of well cell batteries and 5 transformer based inverter. But guess what? He's already upgraded the system to a more bigger and better solar system installation with a 5.8 kilowatts 5.8 kilowatts inverter and a 5 kilowatt hour lithium battery and 12 pieces of 350 watts monocrystalline solar panels, and it will be powering all his lightning points, fans, TVs, and with an intention of upgrading later to power heavy loads like air conditions. Now what we are doing in this site is we are trying to move the former installation to this boys quarter here, the BQ, and we are to now install this new system of 12 pieces of solar panel on the roof. So we'll be giving you a rundown. As you watch through this video, you'll see how we are transferring our existing panels to the next location, and now we are also upgrading this system. So what are you waiting for? What is holding you from installing solar system in your home? Band A, you know what you are going through. You are paying a lot for subscribing for your electricity, and if you are living in an area whereby you are not having electricity or no steady electricity, what are you waiting for? You can start paying small. Do you know of the green financing? High Point have a green financing program that you can start paying small, and we come do your installation after your payments. So you can reach us on our contacts on the screen. You can contact us via our social media handles. We want you to start enjoying the benefits of the renewable energy. Thank you, and I remain Odo George.
Hello, good day. This is your engineer Rosso I Mienoho. Let me take you around to this smart inverter you can see on our screen. This is a micro crown inverter. You notice I take a pause. Micro crown inverter. This is a very rugged inverter, and this inverter is 5.8 kilowatt, and it has 5 years warranty. We are unboxing this inverter and we are going to show you the other part of it where we are installing it on the site. So the word is going lithium. It's a very smart move to have this special inverter in your home. Why? Because this inverter has an ability to supply dual. What I mean is that it can supply a 2 different load optimally. You have a dual output, and this inverter have a Wi-Fi port, and this inverter have 5 years warranty. So 5 years warranty, that means this inverter is built to last. It's rugged. When you talk of ruggedness, this inverter is there. It will give it to you. So Crown Micro inverter is a must-have in your home if you don't already have one. As I said earlier, this inverter have 5 years warranty and they have a technical support. The technical support is very, very perfect. I use the word perfect reason because you are going to be dealing with the manufacturer directly when you get this inverter. They will be there to supply you all your needs, and the support team for this package is very excellent. So we're going to bring to your way the lithium battery. This is the excellency of what we call lithium power. The power that power and the power that power your home. So it's a PP. So unboxing this 5 kilowatt lithium battery, let's start with the material. This battery is very rugged, it's very weighty, and looking at the mental they use in constructing this battery is very, very strong. What is the idea behind this battery? The idea is that this battery is built to last. It's built to stay because it has a very strong sustainability. 5 kilowatt battery is very weighty, and this battery is very beautiful and fanciable in your wall. When we mount this battery in the site, the customer that we installed it for was very excited. Not just exciting, you have a technical screens where you can set up your BMS, and also have a deep switch where you can communicate your BMS in a way that it will work perfectly with the inverter. Not just that, you also have a special code of programming. That is what this battery is for. For some of us that you have some inverter and you may not be able to communicate, the BMS door communicates properly with the battery, but this battery have a special code at the back of the D switch where you can select an options in a way that it will communicate with the BMS. In case you don't know, in case you buy this battery, it comes with 2 cords, the white cord and the green cord. Make sure you use the green cord to connect the BMS from the inverter side and to the battery side so that it will communicate properly. Not just that, we did something very special on our lab. From the energy technical testing, we put some critical load on this inverter, and that have to do with 1.5 horsepower inverter AC. We test 2 at the same time. Guess what happened? This battery and this 5 kilowatt battery and this 5.8 kilowatt inverter performed a miracle. The AC was power for a couple of hours during the testing before we bring down the load. As you can see, the load is already in the screen, and we're having 2.6 kilowatt load on it. That is one of the 1.5 horsepower AC we have in our classroom. The AC is on. You can see the 2 green light is working. Next, we are in our admin department, and the 1.5 horsepower AC there is working optimally. This is so very lovely. This inverter and this battery are very, very strong. All right, this is a big part of it. Now let's take you to the rooftop. We have 12 units of solar panel according to the package, but however we give extra 2 panel for a customer, making 14 units of panel, which you pay for the extra 2 package. And this project is 3.5 million naira without the extra 2 panels. And these panels are 350 and 5 kilowatt lithium battery and 5.8 kilowatt inverter. The system is working very efficiently, and I have a chat with my customer this evening, and he's so very happy, super excited about this whole program. These are our partners with the Crown Micro Inverters. We are so very excited to be partner with them.